So yeah，歡迎到呢集嘅 podcast 啦。So yeah，咁我今集想講嘅嘢就係 yeah，so yeah，lots of shit，lots of shit。咁因為新器材咧，咁而家就試下用呢一部嘅新器材去拍呢集新嘅 podcast 啦。Which is yeah fucking interesting，cause 我一直都係用呢部相機去錄每集 podcast 嘅 visual，咁我就試下咯。I mean just try out new shit，you know what I'm saying? Just trying, bro. Try everything, bro.係咯。咁今集就係喺呢個嘅非常之奇怪嘅 setup 咯，我會咁講。比起我一般片嚟講嘅話，係咯。咁今集我會想講嘅就係關於因為現時創作嘅嘢。咁因為我啱啱今朝睇咗條片，就講關於因為 sometimes 其實我哋要慢啲咯。I mean 其實我唔會好 against hustle culture 嘅，即係我並唔係一個好大嘅 hater，就係話我 hustle，我好憎 hustle 啊，fuck YouTube 唔應該 hustle 啊 fuck 咁你應該第一樣嘢呢個就係我會釐清嘅嘢。我覺得如果你想要 views 咁需要，但係我會 prioritize community 多過呢一樣嘢咯，即係你可能會有好多人知道你首歌，但係冇人會記得你咯。I mean 一個好嘅例子 ，OK，no shame on the talent，cause 佢哋係幾有 ability 嘅。I mean 可能會啲人會話剪咗 parts 嗰啲，but yeah I mean 呢個係 also 我有一樣嘢想講就係 fucking read the context bro， 即係如果你連個 context 都唔知，然後之後你IG 幾多篇文就或者喺 Threads 幾多篇就呢個 YouTuber 呢個戇鳩喺度講咁樣，但係佢可能喺前面有 context， 咁你有冇見唔到咁屌 ？Yeah I mean Threads I don't know bro。我對呢樣嘢完全冇興趣啦，好老實咁講。我覺得90%嘅 content 都係奇奇怪怪咁，當然我有 Threads 啦。I mean 當我個腦覺得我需要接受弱智 content 嘅時候，我就會撳入去睇啦。所以let's see what's in my threads. But yeah, it's shit。佢話咩？睇緊Chill Club 阿媽，他有時都幾孝順，寫首歌俾阿爺。我嗰陣寫俾佢女朋友，嗰首歌寫俾女朋友，佢阿媽話咩？Christy 爺爺未寫俾爺爺，未寫俾佢阿爺啊。然後 Christy 就咁樣類似乜嘢 I don't know bro。fuck that's scary。然後之後啱啱見到有個 view fuck。New Jeans 四個成員歸隊，一個俾解約，然之後就一個係扮拎拎嘅 account 就真假我哋好 fuck， 我終於見到一個好好有營養嘅就係 Salen bro， 老爸爸 bro， 老爸爸 actually made good comments， 佢話看到一些人看到明星談戀愛的時候就回踩，覺得很奇妙，所以好奇真心發問：當明星偶像是不是就是一些人迷戀投射的消費品？如果是的話，第二個問題，為啥一些人要把明星偶像當成自己的迷戀投射的對象？這滿足的是什麼需求 ？Yeah no bro。I mean 偶像就係咁啦。I mean 呢個就係我永遠都唔 get， 即係 bro。I mean shit， 即係點解我要買你嘅 album？ 即係對我嚟講啊我係咁諗啊，至少我覺得係fuck， 我覺得係 appreciate 佢嘅創作咁咯 ，appreciate 嗰啲嘢咯。You know like 我會 我買 Twice 嘅 album，我買 New Jeans 嘅 album。As per maybe，but I mean 我揾唔到一首嘅好歌，令到我想買佢嘅 album 就唔衰嘅。Not saying that they have a shit song，but saying that they don't have a fucking。But yeah，I mean 即係假設你及女啊，but I mean 你及女你可能話哦屌條女好靚咁洗下眼啊嘛，即係就係咁啫嘛，即係你唔會話哦 fuck 我想屌佢啊！我睇完之後我覺得佢係我女朋友啊，我覺得佢係我生命嘅寄託啊！屌，I mean 呢個就好唔 realistic 啦，咁係咯，即係你唔會見到一個女仔，即係你唔係善人啊嘛 ，bro。You're not fucking sanity bro。你冇咁佢，你冇佢咁刀啊嘛，大哥。即係如果你係善人嘅話咁 OK 嘅，but yeah，你又唔係善人，你又係一星平，想點？真心。所以呢個就係點解我覺得you know what it's kind of fucking weird 嘅嘢咯。咁 yeah 係咯，即係其實 bro I mean Winter Jungkook I mean beside the age gap I mean 都唔係好多啫嘛，應該係咯。咪其實 OK 嘅 age gap I mean 大家都成年啦，即係你想拍拖就拍拖，關事咩？即係我覺得即係你拍拖你公開拍都得添，我冇乜所謂嘅。你咪講拍咗拖耶咁樣，然之後大家各自大家覺咯。我覺得let's not be anti-social guys， 即係我覺得大家唔好咁反社會，就喺度一個男同一個女嘅一定喺度拍拖咁 bro I mean 我小學嘅時候曾經有咁反社會嘅，不過之後我發現其實我係全世界最大嘅一個智障，所以我冇咁做啦。咁呢個如果呢個就係個現實咯，就係I mean一個男同一個女嘅喺埋一齊唔一定拍拖嘅 bro。I mean呢個係一個現實咯，you know like 你係咯就係咁咯，you know yeah， 然後之後有 Jungkook 同 Winter。So what I mean even 佢係拍拖I mean 我都會睇 aespa 噶，我都會喺 IG 度 look Winter 嘅 bro I mean what the fuck I don't fucking care。你拍拖就拍拖咯，你係咯，只要佢唔係一個渣男就得咯，屌真係俾嘢。然後 yeah that's it you know 就係咁咯。然後 yeah 我估偶像就係咁咯，偶像就係咁樣嘅嘢咯。Guess that's it， you know 即係有啲 anti-social you know if you get me。所以I mean 我會講嘅就唔好咁 anti-social 咁，就以為你係佢 but yeah whatever so yeah it's lang 到我會係咯，當我yeah I don't know， 當我見到我女同學好樣衰嘅時候，我就會夾一夾去 Winter 去 IG 喺度洗眼呢，因為真係that's life fuck I'm a bit anti-social now guys。有啲反社會發覺有啲嘢。I mean 同埋 also 我想講嘅就係其實I mean bro 廿幾歲係時候拍拖啦 bro I mean 有啲拍即係我明嘅，咁但係同埋其實都好難啊。我想講偶像拍你諗下，即係乜即係你諗下佢哋嘅每一日係幾忙咁嘅假設，然後你諗下fuck 其實佢拍拖難啊 bro。入邊佢拍到拖都戥我開心嘅，入邊 at least 你嘅人生有寄託，so called you know dope you know 就係咁咯，係啊。然後係咯，調翻轉去諗，所以 you know 係咯，偶像就係咁啦 I guess 係咯you know 不過係嘅係，即係你明唔明？即係偶像係要賣到好似聖女咁嘅，即係咯，即係好純潔啊屌畫面。 That ain't that thing. That ain't that thing. That 如果嗰樣嘢存在嘅話，我唔會相信咯。我寧願相信我寧願相信咩？我寧願相信有聖誕老人啊，我都唔會相信呢樣嘢。But yeah, I mean，我都係喺我 kind of 有睇呢樣嘢。I mean, it's kind of fucking antisocial, bro. I mean，係咯，我都有睇一啲 K-pop 嘅，我主要都睇女團先，因為 I mean，我真係冇興趣，大哥。男團我真係冇興趣，sorry bro，我真係冇興趣。我如果男 artist 嘅話，我最中意係邊個咧？Central C。如果有人可以整歌勁過 Central C，我會聽嘅 bro。I mean yeah，勁過 Central C 我會聽嘅。如果 K-pop 有人，咪都有嘅 J-Park 嗰啲咯，咩你在哪裡？Bro, that song is funny. It's not a bad song though. J-Park OK 嘅，最邊即係有啲係真係到 Zico 幾好聽啊嗰啲歌。But yeah, I mean，即係男 K-pop song 即係And I'm not interested in men。嗱，Jungkook to be fair, BTS 係好嘅，即係望佢有啲 gay，but yeah, it's good. You know, it's good. You know，係咯，係 gay 嘅望落去係。You know。It's a fucking good compliment already, bro. Imagine. Like, you know，我哋要整一個 K-pop 男團嘅 guys，我要整一堆將一堆 gangster 堆埋一齊嘅男團啊 ，bro。我要整一個嘅你明唔明？即係全身 full tap bro，full tap。全身紋身，我要逼嘅男團成員去全身紋身，然後之後要做一個 bad boy，因為我哋而家嘅男團成員太乖啦，我哋整一個好曳嘅女團，然後之後我哋女團而家就喺度fuck punk 咁嘛，我哋要做咩？我要做呢個聖女啊 bro。I mean 全部都剩女，but yeah，我要做呢個嘅即係 you feel me， 即係好似一啲教會嗰啲咁，即係教會嗰啲叫咩啊？聖女啊，聖女咁樣，然後之後God save the Queen 咁樣類似啦咁樣。就咁 I don't know, it's a shit idea though. It's a funny idea. It's a shit idea though. 就係咁咯。I mean, yeah. So I mean 就係因為咁，所以因為呢個 demographic 就翻去個 point， 就係其實如果成個即係咁講，即係你要知道 K-pop 係一個非常之需要 loyalty 嘅人啦嘅團體啦，所以因為佢哋就要整一啲嘢咁樣，即係例如可能會有fuck 你買完隻 album 會有咩咁成類似一啲係咯，然後之後例如佢哋可能就因為要boost 嗰個 sales， 然後之後佢哋要整一啲 collectible 咁樣，可能有張卡係 so called rare 咁，好似 Pokemon 卡咁樣，搞到啲女團嗰啲卡 bro。I mean 我完全永遠都唔會 get 個 point 嘅，呢個係我永遠都唔會 get，即係點解啲卡可以咁貴 bro？Let's not be fucking antisocial guys。即係就好似Pokemon 卡咁樣 ，what the fuck？I mean 即係我明嘅，即係呢個儲嘢呢樣嘢係一個新常態咁啦。我估即係可能你會有嗰個樽咯，嗰個嘅樽咯。If you know， 即係嗰個叫咩 Stanley 樽咯。呢個係 Stanley 樽啦，或者成咁樣，即係你會有呢啲嘅。但係同樣我唔 get 嘅就係點解，即係 you know what？ 即係你可能想買個樽，然後之後就fuck，let's buy a 樽 shall we？Let's go。呢個就係成樣嘢咯，即係成件事就係咁咯。我呢個係永遠我都唔會 get 嘅一個 part 咯，就係咁咯。所以係咯，我永遠都唔會 get 嘅，相信我。 所以我會咁講，but yeah，同時其實都容易理解點解啲人會咁中意，同埋因為喺呢個網絡時代，講真一句，大家都越嚟越孤獨，咁可能大家想揾啲嘢去令到自己冇咁孤獨，因為其實好老實講，而家現代人，如果你想要娛樂，你第一樣會諗嘅嘢唔會係出街，你會諗可能係上開電話上 IG 咁，因為無可否認呢個係其中一個最孤獨嘅年代嚟嘅，即係如果我哋要咁樣諗嘅話，咁係咯，喺呢個咁孤獨嘅年代，可能人就係要溝通，你會想溝通成咁，但係跟住你唔會想噶嘛，好老實講，同埋好難。然之後你就會開始，你會去上網揾，可能睇偶像，可能睇 YouTube 啊，渴望有一個社交嘅連結咁樣成。咁 I mean 呢個就係不爭嘅現實咯。I mean，but yeah，that's life，you know，you feel me？You know yeah，而家拍片就係咁咯。我估呢個就係拍片嘅reality 同埋而家現實嘅 reality 就係咁咯。No yeah，仲有咩？I mean looking back, looking forward, whatever， 向邊邊望。咁其實我哋需要嘅就係一個其實實體 community。I mean 而家你見有啲嘅 K-pop group 係咁喺度整呢啲 tours， 你知啊？因為其實而家個問題就係你賣唔到碟啊嘛，碟其實你賣嘅方法就係你將張卡收落去咯，即係 collectible 咯，將佢變做係咯。然後之後第二個方法就係將係咯整演唱會，就係整演唱會咯。呢個就係需要做嘅嘢，就係 I mean 呢個就可能係外國圈叻緊嘅，but I mean 我唔認為佢哋嘅 loyalty 有咁高。K-pop 嘅 loyalty 我真係估唔到咁多，but yeah 個問題就係你要有咯，即係而家可能太即係泵出嚟噶嘛。如果你知嘅話，嗰啲 view 數係泵出嚟嘅，所有嘢都係泵出嚟嘅。然後之後就因為其實所有嘢都係泵出嚟啫嘛。而家好多嘢都係咯，就可能 view 數所有嘢咁泵出嚟啫嘛。屌，I mean 係有嘅方法，當然我唔清楚點樣啦，同埋我都未必會啦，因為 I mean 我想我嘅 content 係真係一啲想睇我 content 嘅人，唔係因為可能要 get I mean， 即係俾一啲有興趣嘅人睇，而唔係可能fuck 呢個 pop shit， 呢個 pop shit 我要睇下個 pop shit 係做乜撚，我要入潮，所以我要睇個 pop shit， 我唔希望嘅片係咁，即係咁講，即係我希望可能啲人睇完條片fuck engage I love this shit， 類似咁咯。But yeah I mean 一樣嘢就係其實你永遠都冇辦法去 fulfill 所有人嘅需求咁。其實呢個係我講嘅嘢，其實真係冇乜可能嘅，係咯。所以有時做人要自私啲，like fuck， 我唔知係我中學定咩，我仲係一個中六嘅學生，即係可能會諗fuck， 我要揾一個完美嘅方案。There's no fucking perfect。如果呢個世界有完美嘅話fuck I don't know， 耶穌會出世I don't know，I don't know fuck。好，即係始終你都要犧牲一啲嘢。你要得到一樣嘢，你就要犧牲一樣嘢，即係咩？即係呢個就係成果。點解成果會出現嘅方式啊嘛？即係咁講。But yeah，對嚟講 ，yeah，it's fucking anti-social sometimes，你睇一啲可能 K-pop 社團就fuck 我老婆 fuck， I mean 呢樣嘢我唔係冇講過，我要承認我只係有講過。 即係當然我唔係好認真，我真係當佢老婆咁，但係可能真係會有人會當佢嘅老婆。I mean yeah，I mean 佢哋絕對係零。I mean but at the same time，成件事就係咁樣啦。然後之後係下一樣嘢我想講就係關於fuck 中油美嗰件事啊 bro。I mean just chill the fuck out，you know。我係唔知點解個 brand 係咁樣 fuck，but it's like fucking retarded。I mean 你睇下 comment 啊嘛，唔會啦，條女咁撚串，俾人錫都唔緊要，點解條女 I don't know。Fucking hell, they're like fucking, they're on fucking Instagram age, bro. They're all fucking retarded. Everyone on fucking Instagram。你認為所有係 IG 嘅人會非常之聰明啊？唔會咯，我覺得即係嗱，好老實講啦，咁 yeah，shit。It doesn't fucking matter，you know， 即係你明唔明？都輪唔到你啊！即係佢假設yes，佢喺度拍拖，可能30幾歲 so what bro， 即係。就算佢唔拍拖，佢都唔會同你拍拖啦，即係唔講。I mean 呢個係一個真相啦。I mean 你想接受就接受，你唔想接受就接受。But yeah 呢個就係個現實啦。現實就係佢永遠都唔諗會同你拍拖啊！你個死陀撚屌你老味，成日喺間房Shut the fuck up bro。Shut your bitch ass up bro。晒爆 bro。Seriously 晒爆 bro。晒爆 bro。You're not the one bro。You fucking dickhead. You fucking hypocrite. You fucking retard. 所以就係咁咯。咁 yeah 呢個就係個 reality。個 reality 就係咁樣啦。我無法否認，咁就係咁咯。咁 yeah 係咯。同埋即係呢個就可能點解去翻去個 point 就係。偶像呢樣嘢係而家越嚟越中，就因為而家啲人越嚟越孤獨咁寫成，咁所以會衍生到就係呢樣嘢咁。Yeah，that's it，you know。我估呢個就係現代社會後社交媒體嘅真相。咁所以咁調翻轉就係因為咁樣，人可能會真係想 build community。咁呢個亦係我自己想做嘅嘢，就係去。build 一個屬於自己嘅 community， 去令到可能志同道合嘅人可以一齊去講嘢，一齊去做嘢。咁呢個就係我哋會想做嘅嘢咯。而好多人喺度做緊嘢，咁當no，咁當然香港就冇乜啦。But yeah， 我希望可以喺香港做到呢一樣嘢 bro。I mean咁當然呢件事都有佢嘅難度，but yeah 我希望可以幫到我嘅藝人做到呢一樣嘢啦，呢個係我想做嘅嘢啦，亦我希望可以做到嘢啦。But yeah I mean 做一個嘅social media manager 我都唔係好稱職㗎，好老實講。But yeah 如果你可以做到就做到咯，加油 I guess。係咯，咁因為喺個社交媒體泛濫嘅嘢，咁呢個係唯一一個我可以 back up 嘅嘢，就係因為你會知道其實任何媒體其實都要一個非常之聳動嘅標題去講佢嘅故事啊，去編輯佢嘅故事。所以我會話去睇一睇可能對面立場嘅媒體去點樣去講嗰一件嘅新聞咯。因為而家喺呢個嘅階段，即係 I mean 假新聞啊、射性咁樣嘅階段，即係可能你會見到 recently 都有好多嘅例子啊。即係可能而家網絡平台嘅影響力已經係太大，所以我覺得我哋應該做嘅嘢就係我哋應該去 fact check， 即係呢樣嘢係差唔多。我覺得最緊要嘅就係去 fact check 每一件事，去 fact check 嗰樣嘢 fact check。呢個係我哋需要做嘅嘢，亦係我哋應該做嘢咯。我希望咯，至少我會咁講。所以呢個係唯一可以 back up 嘅嘢，就即係可能去睇下對面嘅新聞。I mean 係好唔舒服嘅。即係如果你可能係本身一個右派咧，咁如果你唔知咩左右派嘅話，你可以睇一集 podcast 就係 Think Couch 嘅第二集咯，記得第二集咯，係就係喺 podcast app 同埋 Spotify 咁，which is okay. Please YouTube post YouTube bro, please motherfucker please. So yeah 就係咁樣so yeah 我希望佢可以快啲 po 第二集啦。So yeah it's a fucking reality, you know， 即係有時你要俾自己一個 reality check 就yeah 唔可能就係咁咯。咁that's it, you know. Yeah. 最後一樣嘢想講嘅就係有啲關偶像圈嘅 New Jeans OT5 bro, New Jeans OT5 trust me bro. Okay, alright. So yeah, I mean I don't know bro, to be honest 嗰件事都有啲戇鳩，講真一句就算啦。I mean yeah, that's life, you know. That's life, you know. 你可能要經過啲可能好智障嘅嘢咁，I mean 呢個都係人生，所以 I guess that's it, you know。咁最後想講就係 fact check 同埋希望大家可以好好咁新一年咁睇緊呢條片嘅時候都2026年啦，咁希望唔會好似2025年咁災難啦，咁希望2025年嘅問題都可以得到一個好好嘅答案啦。咁我就唔即係敘述啦，如果大家知大家知。不過仲有一樣嘢就係我喺度好似將呢樣嘢扯太耐。不過對於嗰場大火，希望可以真係去睇睇檢視嘅問題。But yeah, I mean, I don't want to be a fucking whistleblower。我唔想做一個吹哨者。But yeah，就如果做錯咩嘅，希望就拉咗佢哋啦。I mean, yeah，就係咁啦。Yeah，that's it, I guess. That's it, I guess. So yeah，多謝大家去睇呢集 podcast。So yeah，呢一樣嘢係我一直非常之中意做嘅嘢啦。So yeah，多謝大家支持我哋呢集我呢啲嘅節目，我哋先可以繼續去做呢樣嘢啦。咁behind the scenes，我而家有好多嘅諗法，好多嘅夢想，好多事情我想追。2026年可能就係我哋達成呢啲目標嘅一年啊，事情咁樣就係咁咯。咁加油 bro。咁對我嚟講，支持其實好簡單。其實你有睇過啲片，你肯嘥自己時間睇啲片已經好足夠啦。So yeah，多謝，拜拜。